ladies, I'm here to show you how to Flexirod your hair before going to bed. Okay, so you're here and you got this nice, beautiful, fluffy hair like you do. And how you gonna keep them? Flexirod, duh. So let me show you which size to choose. So I have 18-inch hair, so I'm gonna choose the 1-inch Flexirod to rod my hair. So you want to start at the top, close to the base, and you want to just wrap the hair around the rod. Okay, try not to twist. If you twist, you're going to get more of a one curl when taking it down. So you definitely want to wrap it around so it can be a curl, and then you're going to just bend down just like that and secure it. You're going to do that all the way around your head, and I'm up close and personal this time, so make sure you wrap flat and then turn the top in, bend it, and turn the bottom in, and it is secure. And now for the front area, I like my bang area to be a little bit looser. So I'm going to go with the 1 1/4 inch rod. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to wrap flat so that I can get a looser curl in the front. And then I'm just going to roll down your hair. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to bend the top. And then I'm going to bend the bottom. And this is how you should look, guys. This takes less than 5 minutes.